Hi guys, so now I show you how to take out the battery from the NIkkormat EL camera. So first you need to engage the mirror, raise the mirror up like this. Then you can see like there's a battery compartment inside here. So what you need to do is like you need to push the battery towards the left. Let me show you. You push to the left. You don't just force it and pull it up like that. You need to push to the left first. Only you push it up. See, and the battery is inside there. Then if you push it a little bit, I think the battery will come out. See? You actually loosen. By pushing up this one, you loosen up the battery compartment, and the battery will come out. See? So there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.